Beth. I'm the acting staff chief on the ferry Puyallup here. The staff chief is basically the sort of lead chief engineer position, so the engine room is responsible for all of the ship's system, everything that makes the ship operate, main engines, propulsion, power generation, steering, electrical, plumbing, all of that is the engine department. And then as the staff chief, it's more of a project management and kind of coordination role. So right now we're in the shipyard, and one of my main focuses is to be the point of contact, coordinating with all of the shipyard work that's being done and the crew projects that we're doing, working with our vessel engineering team and the port engineer's office. So there's a little bit of everything. Been with the ferries for 10 years. I've been acting staff chief for 3 months now, so that's exciting. My really satisfying day is when something happens and we can take care of it and nobody else knows about it.